Good evening, everyone. Before you go to sleep tonight, I want you to think about something carefully. What if the food you eat before bed is quietly affecting your memory, your focus, and even the speed at which your brain ages? Most people believe the brain simply gets weaker with age, but modern research is showing something very different. Your brain is constantly repairing itself during sleep, and the foods you eat at night can either support that repair or slowly work against it. Dr. William Lee, a physician and researcher who has spent decades studying food and human health, says many adults over 60 are unknowingly starving their brains at the exact moment the brain needs nourishment the most. According to recent studies, the hours before sleep are some of the most important for memory repair and neural recovery. Researchers from the University of Toronto found that older adults who consumed the right nutrients before sleep showed major improvements in memory consolidation compared to people who went to bed without proper nutrition. That means your nighttime snack may influence whether your brain wakes up sharper or foggier the next morning. Tonight, we are going to look at 5 powerful bedtime foods that may help support memory, reduce inflammation in the brain, and improve mental clarity as we age. The first food is tart cherry juice. Most people think cherries are simply a sweet fruit, but tart cherries are very different. Tart cherry juice contains natural melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep. As people age, natural melatonin production drops significantly, making deep restorative sleep harder to achieve. But tart cherries do more than improve sleep. They also contain compounds called anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation inside the brain. Scientists believe chronic brain inflammation is one of the major drivers of memory decline and cognitive aging.